Right, so today I'll be showing you how to link a Google Docs document into another Google Docs document. So basically, if you have a Google Docs document like this and you want to put a link that people can click on to open another Google Docs document, here's what to do. So first, I'm going to show you my Google Docs homepage. So what you need to do is have the title of your Google Docs document. So for instance, you can see this one is called Google Docs. Most of them are going to be untitled by default, so you need to name them just to get proper names. So for instance, I have this one called Gadgets of Interest. Okay, so let's say I want to link this document inside this one that I'm typing. All I need to do is go to Insert at the top there, and then select Link, and then come here to search or paste link, and then I can start typing the name of that document. So that is gadgets, and you can see it's going to suggest for me my Google Docs document with that title. So I can click on it and that's going to be added there. It's really that simple. And then I can now hit the enter button and continue typing other things that I might want to be typing. Now, if people come and click on this, you can see it gives them a preview, and when they click on the document, it opens for them that particular document. All right. So that is basically how to link a Google Docs document into another one. Now you can even add some anchor text. So if I click on it and then click on the edit button, I can actually edit this link and give it that name. So I can give it any name I want. So let's say I can just call it gadgets like that. Click on apply, and then that will change the anchor text of that particular link. But still, when people click on it, it takes them to that Google Docs document. So it's really that simple. Now you can also add this document to any word. So let's say I want to convert this into a link. So I can just select it and then go to the link option. So insert link, gives me the same menu, and I can search for any of my documents. So for instance, I have this one, I can select it, and that's going to make that document a link. So you can see when people click on it, it gives them the title of that document. They click on it, it takes them to that Google Docs document. So that is basically how to link Google Docs document in another Google Docs document. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.